The 2025 Mercedes-AMG GT63 SE Performance features a twin-turbo V8 engine and a rear-mounted electric powertrain. Mercedes-AMG has unveiled a hybrid version of the GT Coupe, with 805 horsepower and 1,047 pound-feet of torque. Mercedes states that its fastest speed is 199 miles per hour, and that it can reach 60 miles per hour in 2.7 seconds. The new E-Performance variant features a hybrid arrangement inspired by proven technology found in the world's greatest open-wheel race cars. The E-Performance system combines a 603 horsepower twin-turbocharged 4.0-liter V8 engine with a rear-mounted electric motor. The continually excited synchronous E-motor generates 201 horsepower, which gets transmitted to the wheels via a 2-speed gearbox and limited slip differential. Mercedes updated the aerodynamics of the AMG GT63 SE Performance, including a new carbon piece on the underbody upstream of the engine. When the automobile reaches 50 miles per hour, this piece descends by approximately 1.6 inches, resulting in a Venturi effect that draws the car downward and reduces front-end lift. The E-Performance also comes with a retractable rear spoiler that raises at speeds over 50 miles per hour and can be adjusted to 5 different angles to improve stability or reduce drag. The GT Coupe comes with standard power-adjustable AMG seats that complement its 2+2 seating arrangement, 2 adult seats and 2 emergency jump seats. However, optional seats with integrated headrests, vented backrests, and 3 massage programs enhance comfort even further. A further option also connects seat operations to ambient interior lighting, providing a more thorough exploration of driving at night zen. The GT63 SE Performance will be available at dealerships in the United States in late 2024. Mercedes has not yet announced a price, but it will not be cheap. The normal GT63 starts at $177,050. Therefore, we believe the new E-Performance model will cost more than $200,000.